Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reset your service light indicator on your VW Tiguan car. You will need a special OBD2 device as shown in this video, and you have to spot the OBD2 port. The OBD2 port is at the levers, at your clutch lever, at your steering, under your steering wheel. There is the dock for your OBD2 device, and let's get this now connected. Let's have a seat on the driver's seat, and then the next step is to get the ignition on. You do not have to start the engine. But if you're going to reset the service after you did have a service finished, you can go to the main menu and then go to VA Diagnostics, and then you can switch to all different fail function as shown. You can go to the engine room, you can go to everything you like, but we will get back to topic now. So we go back to the main menu, and then we can go to the service reset. Push it, the service reset, and then you have to confirm with yes, and after this the service is resetted. Good job, isn't it? Easy going, as you can see. After this point you will not have again the service indication light at the front panel until the next service, of course. So easy it is. After this, go to exit and then dismount this OBD2 device at your VW car, so that it is easy to restore your service. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. And you can see no service is there. Let's start the engine for an example. Good job. Service is gone. Yeah, I like it. Awesome electronics. Soon. Good job. This is awesome. We saved so much money for this, because the garage will get you so much money for this out of the pocket. Soon.